Tilta just sent me this new Mattebox. It's called the Mirage, and I'm the first German filmmaker to have it. Let's do a quick unboxing. This is kit B. It comes in this case. This is the support system. This is an adapter for the Nucleus Nano. A lot of adapter rings. And of course, the Mattebox itself. Fits good, solid. And this is the filter tray. The filter pouch includes another built-in variable ND filter tray system. You can remove the pouch from the case if you want to. The ND filter delivers 9 stops. VAXIS is offering a lot of filters, specially designed for the Tilta Mini ND Mattebox. You can remove the flag and build it your way, like I did with the DJI-Rs too. I don't get paid for this video. Tilta just sent me this Mattebox to ask for my honest review. So why to have a Mattebox? First, it looks more professional. The client is impressed by the camera and of course the function. To avoid leaks and flares, use the flag of the Mattebox to get rid of them. Of course, a Mattebox is made for using filters, like this 4 by 5.65. When I need to be fast on set, I use variable ND filter like this. So far there was only one other brand giving me the opportunity to use a variable ND filter with my Mattebox. The Polar Pro base cam was good, but like I mentioned with the variable ND filters, you need to get access to the camera while you having the shot. You can't change it without getting shaky footage. And here comes the game changer from Tilta. A motorized variable ND filter inside the Mattebox is new on the market. And I'm totally loving it. This Mattebox is made for everybody who can't get access to his camera while shooting. For example, using a gimbal, a car mount setting, a drone, or any other camera movement. Tilta just started a new cooperation with VAXIS. They're producing smaller and lighter filters. In my eyes, these filters are in addition for every filmmaker who already has his own collection of filters. Another situation every filmmaker knows. So your actress is walking outside and she's coming from a dark room. What would you do in a situation like this? Of course, you can use a built-in ND filter like most of the cinema cameras have, but most of them aren't seamless. The Tilta Motorized Variable ND supports precise and smooth exposure adjustment from indoor to outdoor one-take shooting scenarios. Maintains the same depth of field while getting the perfect exposure. Just use the Mirage and you never have this problem again. So here's my conclusion after testing this Mirage Mattebox from Tilta for about 3 weeks. I'm so happy Tilta gave me this opportunity to test it as a first filmmaker from Germany. To make it short, I think the new Mirage Mattebox from Tilta is a must-have for every filmmaker out there. Now you have so much more abilities, especially working in a small crew or as a one-man show. You can handle any lighting situations in a new way for filmmakers. It is lightweight, comes in this box with several mounting settings. The built-in VAXIS variable ND filter delivers a very good first impression in my eyes. It works with every follow focus system on the market. If you already got a Nucleus Nano, you just need an adapter for starting. Of course, it is looking more professional and set and makes you stand out a little bit more. A big point for me, I still can use my loved filters from Nisi, and I really like the modular design. You can build it your way to get the most out of it. In the end, I can recommend this Tilta Mirage Mattebox to every filmmaker out there who likes to work with filters and is looking for a new way to level up his gear. Like I mentioned, this Mattebox is a game changer on the market and brings so much more possibilities to your everyday work on set. That's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this review. If you got any questions, leave a comment. Subscribe my channel if you want to support me a little bit, and see you on the next review. Bye.